This is a swallow. It has a scissors-like tail. Where are the swallows? Go and look for them. I found them! Swallows live under eaves. Oh, baby swallows have outgrown the nest. They need a new nest. We need these materials to build a new house. Please help look for them. Clay. Branch. Feather. Feather. Branch. Clay! We've found all the materials we need. Fabulous! Let's help the swallows build their nest. Wow! How beautiful the new nest is! Let's decorate the new nest. Feathers can make the nest more comfortable. Put the baby swallows into the nest. Swallows love eating bugs. So delicious! I had a great time playing with you, my friend. Swallow. Let's play again next time.